So you want to build skills this summer, right? But what is your current situation? Well, let's say you start learning, you watch a few videos, you try a new course, and eventually you stop. And this happens because you are consuming a lot of content but not building real life skills. So how many of you can relate to this कि हम पढ़ते तो सब कुछ है but हम उसे real life में implement नहीं कर पाते. And that is the biggest problem that needs to be solved first. आपको जरूरत है एक practical learning structure की, एक ऐसा system जहां पर आपको live guidance मिले और real life projects पर काम करने का मौका मिले. And that's exactly what we are offering you. We MindCoders bring you the summer internship program of 2026, which is also available offline and online as well in the high demand domains such as MERN stack development, data analytics, Python with AI ML, DSA with C and C++. And with all of this, you are getting a special exclusive class every Saturday that is going to be based totally on the interviews and how to face the HR. That is going to be the main hotspot of this. With this, you are also getting the corporate exposure from the side of MindCoders, and all of this is exclusively going to be available in just rupees 3,500. So if you want to enroll and if you want to check more about it, visit internship.mindcoders.in and visit the number 7389640233 for more information.